Picker, picker, picker. Boo! Hey, hi children. You know who am I? I am the person whom you are all talking for the past 2 years now. I am the deadly virus, COVID-19 called Corona. Yes. I am the one who made you all to sit at home. No, you are not going out anywhere. You're not playing. You're not watching movie. You're not seeing your friends and having fun. Who is the reason? I am the reason. If you all come out, then I will catch you. So because of me only, you're all staying at home. And I am the most dangerous virus in the world. And because of me only, people are not coming out. If anyone is coming out and they're not wearing the mask, now what I will do? I will go and catch them and I will make them sick. Yes. So that only government has made so many instructions and rules and regulations that you should follow to safeguard yourself from me. Nowadays I feel so bad because so many people are not coming out and not able to catch them. But still, children, I can see so many people still who are not following the precautions. So today I am going to show you whom and all I am going to catch, those who not follow the precautions. So shall we see? Yes. So children, let's see who are all not following the precautions. I am going to catch them. See here, one person is not wearing a mask. And another person is wearing a mask. So whom do I will catch? Tell me. Yes, I am going to catch this person who is not scared of me. No, see, I've catched this person and I can't go nearby this person who is wearing mask. Yes. See here, one person is not at all washing her hands before having anything. And there is a person who always washes her hands always. So whom do I will catch? Tell me. Who don't have fear at all with me? I'm going to catch that person. So whom I'm going to catch? Let's see. Dun 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 dun. Ta-da! Yes, I will catch the person who is not washing the hands frequently. Next, children, in public places, people should follow what? Social distancing. And some people are still not following the social distancing. So tell me, whom do I will catch now? The person who is not following the social distancing or the person who are following the social distancing? I will catch people who are not following what? Social distancing. Yes. See children, government has instructed you to stay at home. No, like this. But some people are coming out and playing outside. So some people are still at home and playing. So whom do you think I will go and catch? The person who are at home or the person who are playing outside? Whom I'll go and catch? Tell me. Yes, I am going to catch the person who is playing outside like this. Yes. Children, in all the outside places, no, you have sanitizers like this. You have to use it frequently. Yes, but many people are not using that. They are directly touching all the places. But some people are using the sanitizers. So whom do you think I am going to catch? Tell me, the person who is using the sanitizer frequently or the person who is not using it and touch all the things? Tell me whom I will go and catch. Tell me. Yes, I will go and catch the person who is not using sanitizers frequently. So children, in this pandemic period, it's really hard that you are not able to see your friends. But many of them are very smart. They are using the technology to meet their friends through video calling. But still, many people are not following that and they are directly going and meeting the friends. So here, whom do you think I am going to catch? Tell me whom? Here, this one or this one? Whom I am going to catch? Yes, these people I am going to catch. So children, from the story, what you all understood? You should follow some basic precautions to stay away from this COVID-19. What are they? First one is, wear your mask regularly. Whenever you go out, you should wear your mask. Then you should wash your hands frequently. Yes, without washing your hands, you should not eat anything. And in public places, you should maintain social distancing. And only in case of emergency, only you should come out. Okay, otherwise you should stay at home like this. You should not unnecessarily roam here and there outside. Never forget to use sanitizers frequently. And finally, don't touch. Okay, touching spreads this COVID-19 too fast. So avoid touching others. So children, from the story, you all learn some basic precautions that you need to follow during this pandemic period. So please follow all the precautions. Stay home, stay safe from this deadly virus COVID-19. Bye.